Hello and welcome to GoBaz IT Solution. Today we're going to make one file that opens a number of files. So let's say you want to have a file on your desktop for your employees. So when they click on that file, it's going to open all the other files, or for yourself. You want to open 4 or 5 files when you come to work, and you just want to have one area where you click and open everything. To do that, you go to Notepad to make the file, and then type @echo space off. Then type start. It's very simple. We're gonna put the first file. Let's say the first file is your email that you open every morning. So let's say Gmail. So copy it, come, double click, Control C for copy, go to Notepad, paste it. Okay, and here at the bottom, you can scroll back or just press enter to go down to the next line. Then start. Let's say I wanted to open a specific website, it could be your company's website. Okay, so let me put our company, gobaz.net. So again, double click, copy, Notepad, start space, and then Control V to paste it. Now let's say we want a database to open. So let's go to a database. Let's go to a file that contains the database. Okay, so this is the file I want to open. You need to map the file. To do the mapping, just come to an open space here, click, okay, and then right arrow, and then backward slash, and that gives you the files available. Okay, so let's say I want to open not this one, but this one here. So this is the map of the file. Double click here, or Control A for all. Okay, then Control C for copy. Type start again, space, Control V. So now I have 3 windows I want to open: the website, email, and this database. Now we're going to save it. File, save as. You can say desktop, but I'm not going to put desktop because I want to give it an icon on the next video. Okay, so you can save this on the desktop here, or I will save it on this link here, PC document learning, and I'm going to give it a name, call it work, and then .dat, and here says text document. Change it, click all, because you want to save it as a bat file. See how it changed? You have like this little gear, save. Okay, yes. And then after that, let's go back to the file again. Close this. Back on the file. This is work. Let me close this window. Now let's test it. Double click. And it's working. Here you have the website. And here is Gmail. And I'm not logged in, but if you're logged in, your emails will show. And also here's the database. I'm I'm gonna close this just to show you and do something else now. Now come back to it, do a right click, okay, and then click on send, and then click on desktop. And there's a reason why I'm doing this for. Now we have a shortcut in the desktop. Again, we can double check that it's working. So it opens all the pages I need to open. The website, the email, okay, and the database has opened. Gonna close them. Now, next video, I'm gonna teach you how to change this to an icon. Okay, so we're gonna change this on the next video to an icon like this, to your company's icon or whatever you wish. So visit the next video. Till next time, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, and thank you.